So we're going to work with pandas, just so we can work with data frames naturally. And I'm also going to import NumPy so I can use that to generate some random data. So here's our data. It's going to be a NumPy array 20 by 5. And we'll send that to a data frame. This. So there's the data. And now we can apply a background gradient, which will, accomplish the conditional formatting essentially for us. We do that with using these styler methods for data frames. Excuse me, the styler objects. And then the method is background gradient. So actually I can run this right there. And now I have something that's actually not a data frame. It's this pandas styler object. And it already has done the conditional formatting for us. Okay. And it's done that with the default color map. I can change this to, a green color map if I'd like. There are other parameters you can use as well. We're going to keep it simple. So let's stick to this. And then now I can save this to Excel, just using the inbuilt to Excel pandas method. We'll go ahead and hide the index when we save it. And now we're done, if we want to be. We can go a step further. Sometimes if I'm working with data in Excel, I want there to be a filter so I can sort the columns and so forth. So we'll charge on ahead and apply a filter from within Python using openpyxl. So we'll open the workbook. With this code. It's just a .open. And then we assign that to the variable WB for workbook. We're going to access the first worksheet with WB.active. And we're going to change the auto filter. So as it exists, the auto filter is just not doing anything. We're going to change it so that the filter is applied over all of the dimensions of our data, like this. For this line right here, .calculate dimension, it's just telling us like what are the cells in which we actually have data in this worksheet. So A through E, that's telling us columns 1 through 5, basically, coming from this 5, and then 1 through 21. It's saying we have 21 rows. We had 20 rows from data, and the additional one comes from our headers. Okay, and then we're done. So I'm going to save back over the Excel file I created. Now I'm done. Let's take a look at what we have in Excel. All right, now I've opened up Excel. This is what the file looks like. And as you can see, I can sort all the columns if I'd want. Upload it to Google Sheets, do whatever it is you want. All right, thanks. Have fun.